Welcome! Today we will be playing LOVE or Love. This is part of the Fall in Love with Uke challenge, so if you are recording yourself, please share your videos using the hashtag. This is kind of a jazzy song, and I simplified some of the chords so that there's nothing really difficult here aside from us just having to get in a jazzy feel. If you're not yet subscribed to the channel, subscribe! I will show you two different strumming patterns so that you can have fun with it. Let me play the first part of it and then we'll do it together. Please watch this first time. For strumming, we will be doing an island strum. But if that is too challenging for you, then stick to down strums. So find the place or the strumming pattern that is comfortable for you. The biggest tip I can give you is to have your hand pivoted all the way to the top, because we're going to go from A minor 7 to D7, A minor 7, D7. We have Gs and G7s, and all of this will fit if you have your hand all the way to the top. Let's try and play that together. If you stumble through some chords, skip to the next one. Ready, go! Now I'm going to do it on baritone ukulele for my Bari players. If you're playing the regular ukulele, you can keep doing your thing and checking your chord chart. We will still sound good together. Here we go. Players, the biggest tip I can give you is that if A minor 7 is too difficult, just make it an A minor. When you go from A minor 7 to D7, leave your finger, your index finger there. That can be your pivot. It doesn't matter what ukulele you're playing, we can play together and sound good, so let's try it. Ready, go! And that is about as challenging as the chords get. So let's try and play through as much of the song as possible, and then we'll come back and revise anything we need to. Get ready? Doesn't matter which uke you're playing, let's play together. Just a little musical thing you can do it. There is where it says anyone that you adore. Just do one strum. Anyone that you adore can. And when you go to can, start the strum back again to land on G. So let me do that for you real quick and then we'll try it together. Just watch the first strum. And it kind of makes an emphasis on those words and also makes the listener listen, because there's something different, right? And that just is a fun way to change up the song. Okay, so let's try to lead into that part and stop at the D7. Let's see if we can do it. Here we go. Beginning. So after that part we did where we stopped on the D7, everything repeats. So I think we can do a full play along of this song. What do you think? All right, let's do it one last time. You got this. You can do it. All right, here we go. At the end of your song, remember to freeze so that the note can ring and fade on its own. Or if you want to fade it really gradually, just go to the saddle and kind of glide your hand right over, and that'll help it fade gradually. Thank you so much for letting me be your teacher on this song. I hope that you had fun, and I hope you'll come back for tomorrow's video. Sayonara!